Hey guys, I've come to the end of this video. Okay, bye. Hello family, welcome back to Mary Jane's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook delicious porridge plantain in a simple way. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Here we have the plantain, so I've already washed. Also going to slice it outside the camera. Here we have our fresh fish. Here is the fresh vegetable spinach. You can use any vegetable of your choice, but the bitter leaf is not allowed. Right here we have our red oil, also known as palm oil. Here we have our mangala fish, you can also call it stock fish. Here we have our curry, onions, your seasoning cube, here is salt, crayfish, blended pepper. You know, I told you guys before, I love pepper so much. While here we have our red bonnet pepper and our fresh pepper. I'm going to blend it outside the camera. So here we have our fresh tomatoes. Okay, the next step now, I will put the pot on the fire. So the next thing now, I will add the red oil. Here's onions. I will add the onions. Right here we have the blended fresh tomatoes, pepper, and the red bonnet pepper and onions. So the next thing now, we'll start cutting our plantain while the stew is still remaining on the fire, frying. So cut little by little. So that is it. In case if you are lacking blood, this porridge plantain is very good. Give you more iron in the body, more fresh blood. Okay. So let's check it out. Wow, it's already dried now. I'm going to turn it. So I will add 1 cube Maggi and a little salt first, and I turn. So the next step now is the sliced plantain. So then I'll turn very well. So I will go ahead now and put little water. And I will turn very well. So So what I will do next, I will add the fresh fish. Then I will cover it. So right now I will turn. So here is the mangala fish. So I use hot water to soak it. So I'm going to add it also. Very delicious. So here is the blended crayfish and the blended pepper. Right here we have our curry powder. So I will turn. So I will add extra 1 cube Maggi, making it 2. With our salt. So I will allow it to cook. Guys, try this recipe, very simple and easy. This plantain porridge is very good, very healthy. If you are lacking of blood, you don't have enough iron in your body, and eat this. Okay, the next step now is our vegetable. So I'm going to be slicing vegetable. Please make sure you watch the video to the end. Drop your comments. Make sure you like my video, share my video. So how do you see the recipe? Have you tried this recipe before? So what video do you want to see next? So you let me know in the comment section. Okay, that is it. So guys, the next step now will come. So I will test, see how the taste looks like. Wow, wow, so yummy and delicious. The taste comes out very well. So right now I'm going to be putting the vegetable. So I'll put the vegetable right now. Okay guys, I've come to the end of this video. Also share my video, like my video, drop your comments in the comment section. Okay, see you on my other